Well, after the winter we've had, it is great to see color, especially in our garden. I'm with Margie at Margie's Farm and Garden in Aurora, and she has picked out favorites that we're going to talk about today. You really have some beautiful favorites.
Oh, thank you so much, Judy.
So what are we going to start with?
Our first favorite here is our new Be Alive Bittens. These are fantastic. The coloring is just beautiful with the orange and the yellow.
And how do we use these?
These are great for full sun. They are great in containers.
Are they going to trail a lot?
They're mainly upright. They're not quite as
okay.
not quite as vigorous as the yellow bittens that you're used to seeing. But more of a semi-trailer for the full sun. You don't have to worry about deadheading them. They'll just keep reblooming on their own.
That's really nice because I'm too lazy to do that.
Nobody likes that.
And what about these Impatiens? These flowers are huge.
Oh my gosh, my next favorite are Sun Impatiens. These are fantastic. We have 10 different colors of them. From the orange, magenta, we have white, reds, and all different shades in between.
And really in the sun.
Really, they do well in the full hot sun, and no cleaning on them necessary to keep them blooming again. And they actually get a little taller. They're about 18 to 20 inches, with some of the varieties getting about 30 inches tall. So they're a great use. Mixing all the colors is just beautiful.
It looks like it. And then I love these little kind of tubular flowers. What's this one?
Oh my gosh, Vermillion Air is always one of my favorites. These are fantastic. The hummingbird's #1 plant in our greenhouse. Every day the hummingbirds are all over these guys. As you can tell by the flower shape is just perfect for a hummingbird. These are great full sun. They work really good in containers. They work really well in the ground also. About 18 to 28 inches is the height. So they're just fantastic.
Yeah, that is a nice height. And then these are such beautiful colors.
Oh, Borrelia. This is definitely one of my favorites because I love the color. This periwinkle color is just beautiful. And you don't see this color much on flowers, so it's great. These are for the shade, so they can do well in morning sun, but they need the afternoon shade. A semi-trailer, so they're great in containers, baskets, and they bloom fabulous until frost.
And I love that there's white too, because I just love white in the shade.
White in the shade is just really great. It really pops against the dark colors.
Nice. And then this texture is this crazy little grass.
Oh, fiber optic grass. We absolutely love our fiber optic grass because it looks like fiber optics. This is great. It can go in the ground. It goes in containers. It can also go in your pond. It's a great water plant and loves the water. And we use it in containers a lot, not for the full hot afternoon sun. It does better in more shaded conditions.
Oh, that is
and if it gets too long, you just take scissors and you can cut it off because you have lots of new growth coming on with the fiber optics coming.
That is fun. Oh, I love that one. And then this is a beautiful yellow flower.
Oh my gosh, Battaglia. This is absolutely one of my favorites also with the darker foliage with the yellow. Again, a semi-trailer for the sun. It blooms fabulous until late frost. It just keeps going. No cleaning necessary on it. It just blooms great all on its own. Semi-trailing and great in the sun.
Wonderful. And then I've never seen a sweet potato vine trained up. And what a great idea, because we usually see them hanging down.
Yes, we do. This is the Solar Tower Black. This is brand new this year. And it is just fantastic. It'll grow at least 8 to 10 feet tall in 1 year. It's very vigorous. So it would love like a trellis to climb up. If you have like a 10 by 10 canopy tent, it'll climb up along the legs of it. Beautiful with other vines mixed in it with also. This does not bloom, but beautiful foliage.
Right, beautiful. And then you have dahlias, which it's early in the season, but there's dahlias.
Oh, I do have some beautiful dahlias here. We grow quite a few different varieties of dahlias. They're blooming now, which is great. They'll bloom all summer long until frost. They do well in containers or in the ground. A little deadheading on those to keep them blooming, but they are just fabulous.
They are nice. And then, you know what I love here too is there's so many ideas in their containers. So, you know, you can be creative on your own, but you make beautiful containers too right here.
Oh, thank you very much. We love using all of, especially our favorites in specialty containers. They make great gifts, grab and go, or to give people ideas of how to use plants.
Yeah, that is true. Do you have any just general tips for all these lovely annuals here?
Oh yes, generally just water and fertilizer will just keep them blooming great all summer, and we can help you with all that when they stop by.
And you really can hear it from Margie herself. You have to come out to Margie's Farm and Garden. They have beautiful annuals, perennials, and come out and get some summer containers for yourself. Thanks so much.
Oh, thank you, Judy.